It begins in the heartland, where golden fields stretch beyond the horizon. Each kernel holds a promise, a transformation waiting to happen.
The harvest marks the beginning of an incredible journey.
From farm to factory, the journey is carefully orchestrated. Welcome to where science and tradition meet. Behind these doors, transformation happens 24 hours a day.
Thousands of pounds arrive every hour.
Stored in cathedral-like silos, waiting for their moment.
Every kernel is inspected, sorted, and selected for perfection. Precision machinery separates the exceptional from the ordinary.
Modern sensors detect what the human eye cannot.
The chosen ones move forward. First, they must be cleansed, prepared for transformation. Purified by precision water systems.
Each kernel, now pristine.
Gentle heat removes every trace of moisture. Now comes the moment everything has led to. Heat, pressure, and time converge.
Inside each kernel, pressure builds to over 135 pounds per square inch.
And then, transformation.
A chain reaction of miraculous metamorphosis.
In seconds, hard kernels become delicate clouds.
The reveal is always breathtaking. Pure, perfect, and ready for the next stage. Now comes flavor, the art within the science. Every coating must be perfect.
Spices and seasonings from around the world.
Each piece, a perfect combination of texture and taste.
From classic butter to exotic spices, endless possibilities.
Every batch undergoes rigorous inspection. Human expertise remains irreplaceable.
Science ensures consistency and safety.
Approved and ready for the world.
Packaged with the same precision that created them. Sealed fresh to preserve perfection. Organized, labeled, and prepared for distribution. From here, they'll travel to every corner of the country. The journey from farm to factory, complete.
One kernel. One perfect transformation. Infinite possibilities.